Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got 25 things to ask the Google Home Hub. So I've done a previous video on the Google Home, just a system without the screen, but now with the screen, the answers shouldn't be different, but you should be getting some answer cards and more details. So we're gonna try some questions. So yeah guys, probably do one or two more videos of these, but this is the first one. So yeah, let's begin with the video. And as always guys, I'm gonna mute the word Google so it does not interfere with your Google Home or anything like that. But yeah, let's begin with the video. And I'll move to the first one. What can you do?
I have lots of powers and they are growing every day.
So as you can see guys, last time it would just say out the stuff, but here it's actually giving me a list of loads of cards. You can just see there are tons of stuff you can do guys, so that is really nice. Let's continue. What's my first event tomorrow?
Sorry, I can't find anything on your calendar for then.
Okay. Turn the volume to 5. Repeat that.
I said, sorry, I can't find anything on your calendar for then.
Wake me up at 9 a.m.
Right, your alarm's set for tomorrow at 9 a.m.
So you can see we're actually getting a card that's showing the time and date as well, so that's really nice. Tell me about my day.
Good morning, Lucky. The time is 11:30 a.m. Currently in Coventry it's 8 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 9 and a low of -1. Enjoy your day.
Now it's playing some music, we don't want that. So you can customize this in your settings, so you can give some routines. How long will it take me to get to work?
You haven't set your work address. Where would you like to set as work?
Cancel.
Okay, cancelled.
So if you have a workplace already set up, you can use that, but I'm currently at my workplace, so it's not going to do that. But yeah. How long will it take to get to McDonald's?
The closest McDonald's is at Gallagher Retail Park, Stony Stanton Road, Coventry. It will take you 7 minutes to get there by car in current traffic. You can see the full directions on your phone.
So this is what I did last time, but this time it's actually showing me more. And it actually gave me some more questions I couldn't ask, but it showed me different locations as well, so that is really good. What is ANC headphones?
According to Wikipedia, noise-cancelling headphones are headphones that reduce unwanted ambient sounds using active noise control.
It's actually showing me a picture and everything, and it's giving me more stuff I can ask. You can see, so that's really nice. Just with one question is asking me more details, so that's a good thing. So let's continue. How many calories in an apple?
On the website foodicate.com, they say, personalized health review for Kinda Happy Hippo biscuits, cocoa cream, 119 calories, nutrition grade, problematic ingredients, and more.
How many calories in an apple?
There are 52 calories in 100 grams of apple.
Okay, let's continue. How many calories in a cheeseburger from McDonald's?
On the website vox.com, they say, a medium movie theater popcorn, 1,610 calories, is equivalent to 5.5 McDonald's cheeseburgers, 290 calories apiece.
Okay, so that's pretty a lot. When's Real Madrid's next game?
Real Madrid's next match will be on Wednesday at 8 p.m, when they will take on Barcelona.
So that's the Copa del Rey semi-final. which I need to watch. And let's carry on. Did Real Madrid win?
Yes, they won 3-0 yesterday against Deportivo Alaves.
So if I asked this on the Google Home, it wouldn't give me that background noise with the cheering and everything, so that is really good. As you can see, it's still giving me related questions and stuff like that, which is really nice. With the Google, it wouldn't give me that, so there's just so many more questions I can ask, which is so nice. But yeah, let's continue. How do I say please in Spanish?
In Spanish, that's por favor.
So that's nice, and it's now I can say ask a lot of different things. So how are you in Spanish?
In Spanish, that's
¿Cómo estás?
So that's really nice and useful, so you don't hear it, you see it, and you can see how you can spell it as well, so that's really nice. What's 3 times 23?
3 times 23 is 69.
So that's actually showing the result as well, so let's continue. How many species of tigers are there?
9. The lower classifications of tiger include Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, Malayan tiger, and others.
As you can see, it's actually showing me a picture of tigers, and again, it's saying, it's giving me related questions, so I can just keep going and going, so that's really nice. So let's try what's the biggest tiger.
On the website liverscience.com, they say, Amur tigers are the largest of the tiger subspecies. Males can grow up to more 10.5 feet from head to tail and weigh up to 660 pounds.
So that's just really good, so let's carry on. Where's the nearest pharmacy?
I found a few places within 1.2 miles.
So it knows my location, it's giving me the nearest pharmacy, so let's try again. What's their phone number?
Here are phone numbers for the nearest pharmacy near Coventry.
So it knew what I was asking from the previous question, and it just did a follow-up, so that's a really nice thing. It does that because I know that Alexa still can't do the follow-up questions, but the Google now can do that. So let's count to 10.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, I thought it's actually going to show the numbers counting upwards, but yeah. What does a horse say?
This is a horse.
How big are horses?
Horse typically has a height of 1.4 to 1.8 meters. Horse typically has a length of 2.4 meters. Horse typically has a weight of 380 to 1,000 kilograms.
What does a dog say?
This is a dog.
How much food does a dog need?
On the website petmd.com, they say, most adult dogs should eat 2 meals a day, so you'll need to divide the amount in the table by the number of meals you're offering.
And it just keeps giving me questions and questions I can ask. So as you can see, guys, with the Home Hub, you got not just the answer, you get cards, you get visuals, you get more information, and you get follow-up questions as well. So that is much nicer than just your standard Google Home Mini or Google Home. But it's just a really nice feature that you get these cards, it's showing you stuff, and it's just visually pleasing, and it gives you more information, and you can just carry on asking more questions. It gives you suggestions for something else to ask about the topic you just asked, which is really good. So yeah, guys, I'm going to try and do more of these. I've just done 25 questions here, but I'll do some more episodes of this. If you do like it, do let me know in the comment section. I'll do more. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one, guys. Take care.